They show you the granite counters, big islands, and that dreamy walk-in closet, but what they don't show you could drain your wallet real quick. Hey everyone, I'm Marina, your favorite Houston real estate agent and your millennial home guide who's gonna give it to you straight. I've helped so many first-time home buyers dodge builder traps, and today I'm spilling the tea on what really goes down behind those model home doors. Alright, the obvious. Why do so many people love new construction? You get to pick your floors, your cabinets, or sometimes even the elevation of your house. Everything is brand new, energy efficient, low maintenance, and honestly, that new home smell hits different. But here's what they don't tell you when you're sipping your complimentary coffee in that fancy model home. What you're seeing is the fully loaded version, not the base price. Those quartz countertops, upgraded appliances, floor-to-ceiling tile are usually pricey add-ons. I've seen so many buyers walk into a model home thinking they're getting their $350,000 dream home, but when after everything is factored in, it's closer to about $430,000. Always ask to see the base model and features sheets. That way you know exactly what is standard and what's going to cost you extra. Let's talk about the real money stuff, because what you see is not what you pay. First up, lot premiums. You fall in love with the home on either a cul-de-sac or a corner lot with no back neighbors. Boom, that's $10,000 to $40,000 on top of that base price. And no, they don't list that online. Then we've got upgrades. You want hardwood floors instead of carpet, that's an upgrade. You want a separate soaking tub and walk-in shower, that's an upgrade. You want a covered patio, you guessed it, that's an upgrade. I've seen a lot of my clients add upgrades from $60,000 all the way up to $100,000. So keep a close eye on those upgrades. Also, not all builders include the fridge, the washer, dryer. Some don't even include blinds. What? Like, do they really expect you to put tape or paper on your windows? Nope. Always, and I mean always, ask for a list of what's included in the base price. Don't assume anything. Transparency is everything. Okay, let's talk contracts. Builder contracts are built to protect. But guess who? Not you, the builder. A lot of builders use their own custom contracts. That means different timelines, deposit policies, or cancellation rules. Some contracts say they can delay the build for months, and there's nothing you can do. Or if you were to cancel, you may not even be able to get your deposit back, even if it's not your fault. And here's the tea. This is why you need a real estate agent, someone who can read between the lines, negotiate on your behalf, and guide you through the builder lingo. Next myth. It's brand new. I don't need an inspection. No. Nope. Please don't skip this. New homes can have issues too. Poor framing, plumbing mistakes, HVAC problems. Builders are on deadlines, and sometimes stuff can get rushed. I always recommend 2 inspections, one before the drywall and one final check right before closing. And yes, you can bring your own inspector. Don't let the builder talk you out of this. You'd be surprised how many things get fixed just because my buyers had a second set of eyes. Let's talk builder incentives like free upgrades or $15,000 towards closing costs. Sounds amazing, right? But read the fine print. Some of those deals only apply if you use their lender or title company, and that lender might not offer the best rate for you. I always run numbers both ways. Sometimes using their lender can save money, but not always. And sometimes that free upgrade is baked into that price already. Remember, everything's negotiable, especially inventory homes or when they're closing out a community. That's when I love stepping in and working the best possible deal for you. If this opened your eyes a little, I'm so glad. My goal is to make sure you feel confident, informed, and ready to buy smart. If you're planning to build or buy in Houston, I'd love to guide you through it. My information is below. Let's chat. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe for more real estate tips, and comment below, would you buy either a new construction home or a resale home? Which one? Let me know, let me know. I'll talk to you soon.